Hey you and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to trade right here on eToro. And this is a video for when you are a complete beginner and just created your account and you don't any idea what to do now. So let's start right here with the eToro dashboard. This is the dashboard, the home tab, and from here you can do a lot. But we are interested in how we can trade. So the first step that we are going to do is select right here which portfolio you want to use. So let's say if you want to use your main account, that is the real account with real money, you can click right here on real account and then make sure that you verify your account because otherwise you can deposit money or withdraw money. And once you verified your account, I also created a video how to do that. You can go to the bottom right here and then you can go to wallet. And then you can add funds to US dollars and then you can decide how much money you want to deposit right here to your account. And then after that, you can start trading. If you don't want to use a real account, then we click here on demo account. And now we can use our demo account right here. So this is exactly what you will see when you click right there on demo account. You can use 87k in euros to exercise your trading, and that is very nice and I recommend you to do that. So with that you can do a lot of experience without using your money. So let's start right here with trading. We want to trade Bitcoin, just an example. Then we go to the search icon right here and we fill in right here Bitcoin. Then we can click right here on Bitcoin and then you will find here a lot of information, but I'm interested in the chart. So we click here on chart. And this is where the magic happens, guys. Right now you can see the chart. So let's remove my face cam a little bit right here. There we go. You see right now here the chart, and this is exactly what you want to see because now you can do your technical analysis right here. But let's say you want to buy Bitcoin. Then we click here on the green one because B is standing for buy, that is a long position. And the S is standing for sell, and that is a short position. So we want to buy, we click here on buy. And right now we can start right here with filling in the amount of dollars that we want to buy. So let's say I want to buy 1k Bitcoin. Now, this is exactly how much 1k Bitcoin is. And this is fine for now. And then what we're going to do is we can add a stop loss. That means that if that price will hit, he will stop our losses and will close the trade. And that's exactly the same for a take profit. But then when it goes up, he will close our trade when Bitcoin will hit 100k. And then he will take our profit. Instead of holding that position, he will close it. Then what you need to know is, you can write it down for yourself if you want to do that. Now I want to make at least $500 profit. And that is when the price is standing on 96k. Then we do set, and then right now we created a take profit. Now let's say we want to do this, then we click here on buy. And then right now order failed. So we are having right now a nice position on Bitcoin. And we can see this right here at portfolio. So this is our position right now at Bitcoin. This is our profit and losses right here in percentage. And this is our profit and loss in price. But this is right now what you need to know. If you want to close our position, we can click there on the tab and then click right here on close. Then you can close trade right here if you want to do that, or close only part of the trade, and then you can decide for how much you want to close the trade. Now we want to close it completely, then we click on close trade and then we close our position. This is exactly how you can trade right here on eToro. And if you have a question about how to trade with something, or I don't know, if you have questions about something on eToro, please comment it down below so I can help you out right there. But this is what you need to know to trade on eToro. So thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.